Governor Wolf's administration, specifically the Department of Human Services, has the power to end family detention in Pennsylvania. In 2016, the Scheller Center for Social Justice of the Temple University Beasley School of Law outlined very clearly how the family prison was violating state and federal law and how the state had the power to shut down the Berks County Detention Center. The key findings from that research are: the Pennsylvania Department of Human Services has the authority to regulate the Berks County Residential Center. Despite the fact that Berks holds federal detainees, Pennsylvania laws regarding the operation of child residential facilities still apply. PADHS will not violate federal law. In fact, it will comply with federal law if it chooses to issue an emergency removal order or a cease and desist order. The mechanism by which residents are removed from a facility in Pennsylvania is an emergency removal order. Pennsylvania DHS itself has acknowledged in court filings that it is required to remove residents where it finds that their health is in serious and immediate danger, stating that it is required by PA code to immediately remove children from a facility, and that it must take immediate action to remove children from a center if the gross negligence in operating the facility is likely to constitute an immediate and serious danger to the life or health of the children. Family detention in and of itself is abusive and illegal. In addition, there has been documented abuse and neglect at this prison. In 2014, a young Honduran woman was repeatedly sexually assaulted by a staff member at the prison. A mother detained at Berks wrote to ICE in late 2015 that though her son's skin disease had spread to his genitals and bled when scratched, the clinical team had not provided him with medication. In May 2016, a 3-year-old boy who had been suffering from fevers and loss of appetite for months was finally diagnosed with an intestinal parasite after his mother found a worm in his diaper. Yet, despite knowing that detaining families is breaking the law and that this abuse has been ongoing in the center, the state still has not issued an emergency removal order. Here are some examples of when the state has issued an ERO. In 2010, PADHS issued an ERO when it found that the Walnut Grove Assembly of God Child Daycare Center was not adequately caring for the children under its supervision. In 2015, an ERO was issued for patients at Liberty Manor Personal Care Home after 2 staff members were arrested for stealing residents' medication, and the facility could not provide documentation that another qualified administrator was available to oversee the facility's operation. Enough is enough. It's time Governor Wolf, Lieutenant Governor Fetterman, and Secretary Miller do their job and end family detention in Pennsylvania.